And during the summer, heat waves are running and I'm working in the, what I said, outside on the road. Getting my point? Can I say it is an economic vulnerability? Yes or not? So the country which is developing, they are more vulnerable, या developed country is more vulnerable? अरे फटाफट आपको तैयार करना हो. In which country, in which part of the world, which country will be more vulnerable? Those does not have better social structure. Yes or not? Education is not good. Culture is, I said that India is a full and flourished culture since ancient past. That culture is something else. Culture का मतलब क्या होता है? You know that? Any action that you are doing every day. Huh? This kind of cloth every day we are wearing. If you are going outside, some different cloth. If you are going into the Manipur, there is a different cloth. There is a culture. Getting my point? But the culture, it is also there. The people from the outside of the country of the world, they don't want to come to India because they found that they are not safe. Why? They are not safe on the road. Yes or not? Can I say that it is a social vulnerability? Yes or not? Attitude. If I'll go to the farmer and anybody, मैं बोलूँगा आपको, आपने कई बार देखा होगा, if you'll learn something and make them to, sir, please, you don't do this because it will create a problem. Have you seen on the road, the people are coming on the wrong side? Only to cover short distance, they take the wrong side. Suppose he's, sir, I'm running slowly, therefore I'm wrong side, but I'm running slowly. I don't know, perhaps somebody is coming from the other side who is running very well, but he sometime, possibly he made this and then suddenly collapsed. Getting my point? क्या आपको लगता है कि आप उनको सिखा सकते हैं मत चलाओ ऐसा? सिखा सकते हो? Attitude? Go and see that some people don't do this. They will do this because they will not ready to understand your point because they are not educationally strong also. Can I say that it is an attitudinal vulnerability? Yes or not? How many of you are considerable about those plastics? If you'll go outside and then you can take the, sir, please give me the plastics. बोलोगे सर मैं तो प्लास्टिक ले लेता हूँ ले लेती हूँ and thereafter I used to throw in the dustbin and thereafter it goes in better way. Okay. But some of you are also throwing outside. That is really, if I say that, suppose this is the road and in the road there nearby, what is there? Some holes are there. When the rainfall comes, then those water goes into this. But what we have done? Through the plastics, chalked. Yes or not? Water will be overflowed. Go into your houses, they say that in your bathroom do not make any chemical. कभी घर साफ किया? What do you do? What do you do? उसके जो कचड़े होते हैं ना, घर साफ किया तो नीचे में आता है ना, there is some dust are there. अरे yes or not? So what do? You take those dust and the water and then put into that. Which one? Sewage, or sometimes in the bathroom that hole is there, no? Whatever it is, put those all. And you know that those water goes into a small pipeline. There is and thereafter there is here it is small and then become again the sewage pipeline. And if you are making more sediments, then it will be sediment along with some plastics. And when the rainfall heavy, then it will be collapsed. It will stop the water and the water will be flowing over. And everywhere in the Mumbai the same situation is happening. And the same situation in Delhi. But the Delhi is what? Less rainfall in comparison to Mumbai. Mumbai is somewhere 200 centimeter rainfall. And Delhi is 40, 50, 60 centimeter rainfall. And suddenly sometimes happens. Delhi, one rainfall heavy and then, Getting my point? These are what? These are what? I said that attitude. We never learn, we will purchase the plastic and we will use it. And all of you are there also. Yes or not? Am I right? Am I right? Attitude. Do not consider that, sir, मेरा वो बात नहीं मान रहा, उसका attitude tight है. Attitude is our, somewhere we have also. Attitudinal. We are not ready to learn. Every day do not use plastic. Do not make noise. रोड पे देखो कितना नॉइस चलता रहता है. किसी को सिखा के देखो. यस, मैं यदि गाड़ी चला के जा रहा हूँ रोड पे ही आगे आ जाएगा रिक्शा वाला. यदि भी बोलोगे साइड पे चला लो, जगह है, आप चला लो, जगह तो है. Getting my point? I am saying that it is, don't consider it as a simple one, it is an attitude. Several accidents takes place on the basis of attitude in Delhi. If the school will open, you know that the kids are like, I said, that garbage in the bus. Small buses, vans are running. And suddenly somewhere accident took place and fallen. 10, 12 kids will lose their life. Yes or not? It is about attitude. थोड़ी बहुत समझ में आ चुका क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं? I am trying to prepare you better. I consider that you are understanding what I am trying to say. So there is a vulnerability which can has an what a portion which has a damaging effect. Yes or not? Any phenomena which has what? That is known as vulnerability. और ये जो types बताया वो थोड़ी देर में बताता हूँ मैं. So I said that, लिख लेंगे what is vulnerability? Hazard तो आपको क्लियर है पहले ही, ये फॉर्मूला लिख लिया आपने. Hazard definition is already clear और उसको भी समझा दिया. And the vulnerability mean I said that any phenomena having damaging effect or reducing resilience. Any phenomena hazard is already clear to you. Second one, I said that what? Vulnerability. Any phenomena having damaging effect or reducing resilience. Any phenomena having damaging effect और अरे मजा कर रहे हो, अंदर से खुशी आ रही कुछ समझ में. Next point I am talking about vulnerability is clear na? Types of vulnerability I will discuss. One main question has been coming the last year 2019 perhaps, and in the Hindi medium I taught over there types of vulnerability, that is known as subhedyata. And that question the next year came. And I don't know what it is going to come, but I am sure, 100% sure that all the question in the disaster and in the prelims and the mains, it will come through my notes. So your notes should be very, very good, so that you can be, and if you have any problem, you keep on asking. So my notes, whatever I am making you to note down, it should be noted completely in your notes. So what I said that the next one, it is capacity. कैपेसिटी कोई डिफाइन कर सकता है? नाम से सुनते ही लगता है बता नहीं क्या बोल दिया है. एक वर्ड इसी के साथ जोड़ा जाता है, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग, है ना? कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा, टीचर से आप मिलिएगा तो टीचर आपसे बात करता है, बोलता है, ही यूज्ड टू से समथिंग लाइक, you have more capacity, I know that, and you have a more potential that you can clear this examination, but you have not given your 100%. Have you heard about it? You should work on your capacity. You should work on your, yes? So why you are not able to get the success means you failed because you are not working on your capacity, yes? Can I say that if earlier any loss of life is happening because our government institution is not working on their capacity? Yes or not? Whatever the plan and policies are there, it is not on the basis of their capacity. If it is, I said that nation has to, one central government has to make, and what I said, the decision, one the state government has to take the decision, one the district has to take decision. Everybody somewhere, it is, if it is failed, it means they are not worked as per their capacity. Therefore they failed. So they will analyze what is the cause of their failure. These are the cause of the failure. The next time they will work on that cause of the failure and they will improve their capacity. It means capacity building. Getting my point? Capacity building means what? So any cause which is causing your failure, work on those to remove the next time. It is known as what? Capacity. Capacity at all levels. कहीं पे भी बात कर लो, कभी भी किसी जगह बात कर लो. In your, I said approach, an approach of anywhere approach. किसी भी approach में जाकर बात लो. What is the capacity? So capacity building is, I said, that the list of causes which is causing failure. And improve those list of causes, it is known as capacity building. Yes or not? So write down capacity building. It is an approach which improves chance of success. It is an approach which improves chance of success. इसी वर्ड में सब कुछ आ गया, समझ में आ चुका ना? It is an approach which improves your chance of, मतलब कि नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी जो हुआ है 2021 में, दैट इट इज़ ग्लेशियल आउटबर्स्ट फिनोमेना विच हैज़ बीन टेकन प्लेस. ग्लेशियर लेक आउटबर्स्ट, ग्लेशियल लेक जो आउटबर्स्ट हो रहा है, इसमें जो फाइंड आउट किया जाएगा, दीज आर द थिंग्स विच हैज़ बीन नॉट केयर और टेकन केयर अर्लियर. यू नो दैट जो मैं आज ये देख रहा हूँ, आई एम टीचिंग सिंस लास्ट 7-8 years. And I used to say that not 13 villages or 9 villages which has been affected, but I used to say that several hundreds of villages can be affected in the mountainous region. That can cause any time flood. In my geography classes, there is one topic is their glacier landform. Understood? And the glacier landform, one it is, I said that depositional landform, moraine dammed lake. I'll tell you what it is, what it has been happened in the little, so that you can understand that we'll cover every current affair aspect till then, whatever it has been happened. So first it is, I said that capacity building is clear ना? अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ अब now, if I'll increase our capacity building, risk will be less? Yes or not? And if I'll reduce my hazard, ऊपर वाला कम करूँगा तो? ऊपर वाला कम करना है. We have to decrease this one, the risk will be decrease or less. Yes or not? Risk reduction. And then capacity, if I'll increase, the risk reduction. Means I said that risk is directly proportional to hazard and vulnerability, and inversely proportional to. It means if I'll increase the hazard, the risk will increase, or decrease the hazard, the risk will. And the vulnerability if I'll decrease, then also there will be a decrease in risk. पूरा डिजास्टर इसी के सामने घूमेगा, इन्हीं 3 वर्ड्स के साथ. और फोर्थ वर्ड इज डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन. क्लियर? जितनी भी चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे आप. सो माई राइट डाउन, डिजास्टर रिस्क इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू, डिजास्टर रिस्क इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू hazard and vulnerability, hazard and vulnerability, and inversely proportional to capacity building. Inversely proportional to capacity building. Clear? It means less the hazard, it means, change the para, it means less the hazard, less the vulnerability, and higher the capacity building, less the hazard, less the vulnerability, and higher the capacity building, it will lead to disaster risk reduction. It will lead to disaster risk reduction. Clear? So, hazard is already clear, vulnerability is also clear. Now write down types of vulnerability. Types of vulnerability. First one I said physical vulnerability. Second one social vulnerability. Third is economic vulnerability. Attitudinal vulnerability. And the last one, environmental vulnerability. 5 types of vulnerability. Or any vulnerability can be in a full question in the mains also. Okay, because if they have asked what are the, how do the vulnerability is causing, I said that helping in the disaster management. So this type is over, yes or not? And also they have asked the types. But they can ask about the physical, they can ask about that, this. Clear? So, the first one we are going to see, physical vulnerability. फिजिकल समझ रहे हैं आप? ज्योग्राफी का फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी ले लें और फिजिकली आप जाकर बोले सुनामी आ रहा है, मैं यही खड़ा रहूँगा. I am what I said that maybe कौन पहलवान कहते हैं यार, सुमो पहलवान और something like this, there will no effect on me, you know. तो कई लोगों को ऐसी फीलिंग होती है, they are I said that insane kind of people, means पागल टाइप के जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं. तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि सुनामी आया आप वहीं खड़े रहो, फिर उसके बाद परमानेंटली गायब. Physical vulnerability, you can say that, I said that near to the coast, during, yes tell me, near to the coast during what? Which? Cyclone and और tsunami. दो ऐसे हैं ना कोस्ट पे आते हैं जो, और आपको जब सुनामी, जब साइक्लोन when it used to moves ना, so there it is, and I said that low pressure at the center I, and they used to raise the sea level, and here it is coming like this, raise water, and it is known as affecting the coast, and it is known as storm surge. Storm surge, SURG, इतना उठा हुआ वेव रहेगा. And then tsunami has more higher waves, it can be up to the 15 meter. 15 मीटर इस 4 फ्लोर बिल्डिंग की हाइट होती है 15 मीटर, 15. तो सोच सकते सुनामी वेव्स, एंड इट डज नॉट कम इन वन वेव, देयर इज अ सीरीज ऑफ वेव. एक गया फिर आके मत देखने लग जाना. फर्स्ट टाइम होता क्या है ना, व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग अराउंड द कोस्टल रीजन, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, देयर इज वन फीचर आई कैन मेक लाइक दिस सपोज, एंड द वेव्स आर कमिंग लाइक दिस. So the first, these waves used to remove the water from here, and then it goes back like this, because this shallow coastal region make it to uplift, because the wave has been broken, this energy has been broken, and when it is coming into the coastal region, what will happen, it will break thus this wave, and then what will happen, it will raise their wave, and it is not coming in one, it is coming in the series. और first time आएगा तो ऐसे पानी को खींचता है, suddenly then you can be able to see some of the एनिमल्स ऑफ द सी दोज आर ऑन द बॉटम, बेंथिक जिसको बोला जाता है, नीचे के आप कुछ एनिमल्स देख सकते हो, सी एनिमल्स, बट उसके बाद देखने के लिए बचोगे नहीं. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड द लास्ट टाइम यू विल बी हियर. सो आई सेड दैट and that is known as, I said, that tsunami, but at the same time the oceanic, when the cyclone comes, and there is an, I said, cyclone, it is in the form of circular wave, and in the center eye, and this level of water is uplifted like this, and it is known as a storm surge. Okay, I'll mention little bit when I'll take the cyclone disaster. I'll mention these things over there, but I'll not mention here, but I am just mentioning that it is near to the coast during cyclone and which one? So you are physically vulnerable, yes or not? Physically vulnerable. Clear? Near to the bank of river during, yes, flood, flash flood, physical vulnerability, yes, near to the bank of river, yes. Next, in the geography, there are different types of faults. Suppose, listen me here, this is in a rock, one tensional force is acting, TF, tensional force. Then what can happen? A small fracture develops, convert into crack, and crack, there it is. What happened? This is in a hanging wall, it goes below. So this is, I said that it is a fracture. First, what develops? And further more tensional force, then crack develop, and then crack. Along the crack, if it starts moving, this is known as a fault, and it is a normal fault. So suppose I said that if it is further going downward, what will happen? It will be what? If I say that there is now which one? Vindhya, and here it is what? Satpura. And there is a Narmada Rift Valley. So this is a rift valley. So more, if you are living over there, so you are highly vulnerable. If any earthquake comes in this region, so if you will be nearby Jabalpur, Jabalpur is nearby this Dhuandhar waterfall, you know that? Bedaghat Gorge also. So if you are nearby the fault line, you are more physical vulnerable. So you should be away from the fault. Yes or not? And this is clear. इतनी एनर्जी नहीं आ रही है आप लोगों को. मैं वो भी बता रहा हूँ, यदि आपकी ज्योग्राफी की भी आइडिया ना हो फिर भी आपको कंप्लीटली क्लियर हो. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. एट द सेम टाइम between the Himalayas, there is a greater Himalayas, middle Himalayas and Sivalik, but it is not never like this. And between them there is a fault. Here it is known as, जो geography पढ़े होंगे, MCT, main central thrust, main boundary fault, and here it is Himalayan front fault between Sivalik and Indo-Gangetic plain. ये मैं बताऊंगा during the earthquake. These are the different types of faults can cause highly earthquake, intensity will be very high. So I said that if you are living near to the fault, you are highly vulnerable. Yes or not? Getting my point? So the next point I said that near to the, tell me, near to the fault. Near to the fault. क्लियर. सो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हो? बहुत बड़े लाइन में लिखा जा सकता है इसको. यू कैन राइट इन वेरी लॉन्गर लाइन्स. जिस दिन जान जाओगे तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही बोल देता हूँ, पहले सुन लो. डोंट राइट. आई सेड दैट नियर टू द कोस्ट ड्यूरिंग साइक्लोन एंड सुनामी, इट इज़ मेकिंग द फिजिकल वल्नरेबिलिटी. ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन, अब वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वर्ड लिखना होगा, ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लोन व्हेन द साइक्लोन मूव्स द आई ऑफ द साइक्लोन इज अ लो प्रेशर एंड दैट low pressure try to uplift the sea level, and that uplifted sea level when comes to the coast it is in the form of storm surge, and it is causing high level of what? Loss of lives. Therefore the people living near to the coast is highly physical vulnerable. And at the same time, if the tsunami means, I said that series of earthquake waves, नीचे earthquake होता है sea bottom पर, and then it is releasing up, and then series of it, and it is in the form of very high, 10 to 15 meter high, and it can cause not once, several times in the series loss of lives, the people those who are living near to the coast and the property. It is clear? समझ में आ गया? तो शायद यहीं पर हमने 50 वर्ड लिख लिया. फिर इसके बाद में बैंक ऑफ द रिवर, द फ्लड्स एंड ऑल, एंड द सेम वे नियर टू द फॉल्ट, हिमालय का आप बता दोगे यस और नॉट, देयर इज दिस फॉल्ट्स, एंड इन द इंडिया देयर आर सेवरल फॉल्ट्स, एंड इफ यू आर लिविंग, गोदावरी इज अ फॉल्ट. इफ यू नो दैट इज एन लातूर अर्थक्वेक. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट लातूर अर्थक्वेक? नहीं. आपने भूज अर्थक्वेक तो सुना होगा, भूज अर्थक्वेक नहीं सुना? अच्छा, पहली बार सुन रहे? Have you heard about Bhuj earthquake? अभी तो फर्स्ट टाइम बोल दिया, उसके बाद तो सेकंड टाइम एटलीस्ट यू कैन से यस आई हैव हर्ड. Bhuj earthquake means I said that there is I said that Kutch region, in the Kutch region there is a 3 faults. Suppose करो, if I say like, if it is in a joint part, और ये ऐसे है, or this Indian plate is moving this side. When it is moving this side, then this fault can be, they can displace or not. अरे ये joint केवल है. So if it is moving, suppose ये ऐसे move किया तो ये आगे जा सकता है थोड़ा. तो there can be a high level of earthquake, and then loss of lives will be more in the Bhuj, or it will be in Delhi. Bhuj, there is a fault. So if you are living near to the fault, तो Bhuj earthquake का example दे दोगे. जब मैं earthquake बताऊंगा, that time लातूर, भूज, some of the earthquake I'll take the name, and some of you are from the Bihar, then I'll say मुंगेर, सहरसा, दरभंगा region 1934, वो भी बताऊंगा कैसे हो रहा है, तब समझ में आ जाएगा. दिल्ली is coming under zone 4. दिल्ली is coming under. So I said that near to the fault, यही आपका एक पूरा आंसर हो सकता है. Am I right? 250 words का हो सकता है. So therefore I said that prepare for this kind of answer. So physical vulnerability is clear to you. Near to the coast, near to the bank of the river, near to the fault. यहाँ पे लिखना चाहते हैं तो आप any fault of India, और एक और लिख सकते हो हिमालयन फॉल्ट, क्लियर? एनी फॉल्ट ऑफ इंडिया, एनी ऑफ इंडिया और हिमालयन फॉल्ट, क्लियर? बिकॉज हिमालय ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर व्हाट? नेपाल, भूटान, है ना? Yeah. Flash means if it is coming, giving a large amount of high discharge of water in the river in a small period of time. High discharge of, simple, small period of time में high discharge of water, that is known as what? पूछ लो क्लाउड बर्स्ट भी क्या है. बलून भर लो, जैसे पानी भर लेते हैं ना बलून में, अब फटता है ना, इसी तरह बादल भी फटता है. और कहाँ होगा ध्यान रखना, only in the mountainous region, never in the plain area cloud burst. आप ज्योग्राफी पढ़े होंगे और जब पढ़ेंगे तब it will be more clear. Clear? Getting my point? So this physical vulnerability is clear. इतना बताऊं या ना बताऊं? Please tell me, should I say this kind of deeper things या physical vulnerability खत्म हो गया? Everyone tell me, because it is up to you. What is your attitude also? The teacher will also teach you as per your attitude. Tell me. Depth उतना ही होगा जितना मैं दूंगा, उससे ज़्यादा डेप्थ नहीं होगा. बताओ, ये बताऊं या नहीं बताऊं? ज़बरदस्ती मान लो एक दूसरा बच्चा बाजू वाला बोल रहा है, मैं भी बोल दूँ. You can tell me with your better intention, सर प्लीज़ ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ाइए, उतना ही उड़ा दीजिए जितने काम का है ना? कई लोग ऐसे ही काम का कितना समझते हैं, काम चलाओ, समझ में आ रहा है? काम चलाओ बताओ या अच्छे से बताओ? नहीं बाद में बोले सर ये इतना सारा फिजिकल वल्नरेबिलिटी कहाँ कहाँ कौन कहानी फंसा दिया। पता है आपको सेकेंड थर्ड डे से व्हाट यू विल से, आप बोलोगे सर मैं हर चीज़ का आंसर दे सकता हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग योर बेस। क्लियर? सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज विच वन? सोशल social vulnerability. I said social vulnerability. Culture is playing important role also. Culture? Yes? Tradition? Culture? Tradition? और ट्रेडिशन का बहुत लंबा समय होता है ना। इन कंपेरिजन टू द कल्चर तो आप 100 सालों में डेवलप कर सकते हो, बट ट्रेडिशन जनरली डेवलप्स इन वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम। अंडरस्टूड? आप लोगों को एथिक्स में भी पढ़ना होगा। इन द एथिक्स व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्यूरिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ सम ट्रेडिशन। सपोज द होल इंडिया इज नॉट सेलिब्रेटिंग पोंगल, दैट इज यू नो दैट पोंगल जानते हो ना क्या है? व्हेन इट हैपेंस पोंगल? महाराष्ट्र, केरला। Suppose any, if I say that there is a Maharashtra celebrates Chaturthi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganpati Bappa, yes or not? If it is happening here in Delhi, because the less Marathi people, they are more, I said that there celebrates. So we should be very much careful at that time. Why do the force are there? Have you seen? Not only police force, also at the same time, one force is there, CRPF. Which force? Central Reserved Police Force. It is trying to, it is a paramilitary force. What is the meaning of paramilitary force? Any force which has been prepared like a military, but they are not working as a military. They are not in the army, but they are in the what? Safeguard of the nation, interior safeguard of the nation. Understood it? Getting my point? So what I said, the paramilitary force, they are the central armed police forces, जिसको कहा जाता है CAPF. There is a CRPF, there is a CISF, there is an, I said, BSF, Sahastra Seema Bal, ITBP. They are for the interior. They are for what? Interior. Or military on the border for the exterior safeguard. Clear? So paramilitary force को हमने बोला CRPF, Central Reserve Force. It is for maintaining law and order inside the nation. So suddenly यहाँ पर यदि CISF नजर नहीं आएगा, क्या नजर आएगा यहाँ पर? CRPF. और यदि बगल में कोई इंडस्ट्री में कोई दिक्कत हो गया तो वहाँ पर कौन होगा? CISF. क्या रहेगा? सेंट्रल इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी फोर्स. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ये सब चीज़ें मैं बताऊँगा, आज बताऊँगा कि कौन कौन से हमारे बटालियंस हैं, दोज हु आर वर्किंग. So I said that simply that there will be in a culture or any tradition can also, we need an extra care, otherwise it will convert into disaster. अभी आपने देखा होगा बेंगलुरु में भी कुछ किया गया था, थोड़ा सा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, किसी ने किसी के घर पे कुछ फेंक दिया और उसके बाद वो बताया गया तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन कई गाड़ियाँ जल गई, इसके पीछे कई लोग, कुछ लोग मर भी जाते हैं, उतना न्यूज़ में भी नहीं आता है. If I said that cultural problem is also growing, religious problem is also growing. So there is, I said that one another, it is, I said that religion. And why religion? Because we are living in diversified countries. Which country? Diversified. We are living in which country? Religion diversity, linguistic diversity. Yes or not? So there is a high chance anywhere in India, when जब आप लोग बन जाओगे तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कुछ भी होता है ना, सडनली आपके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर आ जाएगा. And you have to maintain those situations. Another, I said that you can say that education. यदि highly educated नहीं होगे, if you are not highly educated, what will happen? Your decision making will be low. Your decision making will be low. Yes or not? So what kind of what? Weak family system. Weak. Yes or not? If education is not good, their family system is what? Your father, your grandfather, your mother, everyone decision making is not good. मेरी बात से सहमत हैं कि नहीं? So these are the things. If it is not there, the weak family system means, and their decision making is आप लिखते चले, मैं इसको बोलूंगा नहीं. Culture, understood it? Tradition, you understand? Religion, understand? Education, you understand? Yes or not? Clear? And who will be highly affected by all this? Who is more vulnerable by this? कहीं कुछ होता है तो बच्चे मरेंगे, जवान नहीं मरेंगे. Yes? बच्चे, women, they are highly vulnerable. Yes or not? And who? Old age. And these things are happening, this social vulnerability, in which country of the world? Developing, under developed countries. Developing and underdeveloped countries. आप देखते हो कि हमारी HDI कहाँ पे चली जाती है. आप सोचते हो कि the world community is talking about the culture of India is very, what I said, that diversified, and there also somewhere, जब आप एक टॉपिक होगी आपको सोसाइटी में, unity and diversity, yes or not? तो मैं अभी वो unity and diversity नहीं, but India is diverse, you know that. Culturally diverse, also climatic diversity. If you go into the south, there will be different kind of climate. Yes or not? Throughout the year, there will be, I said, high temperature. So, फिलहाल social vulnerability is clear to you? अरे ये culture, tradition, child, woman, आपको पता है ना, mystery of what I said, child and woman.